In this video, we will see how to fix a Steam error. There was an error communicated with the Steam server on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of Steam gaming app error, then here are the fixes. And the first one is check your Steam server status. Go to your Google Chrome browser and here in search field type Steam server status. Press enter and appeared as first result. Choose Steam server status. And here you will find region wise Steam server status. Go to your region and check a status. Steam is working in your region or not. If you found Steam is down in your area, then wait till activate server. All the information will here region wise. Go to your region and check whether a Steam is working or not, a Steam server up or down. And if you found it in down, then wait till server status is in okay condition. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. There may be a possibility of network related issue, so go to system settings from the left side. From the right side, look for troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshoot and run network and internet troubleshoot, and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And after that, check whether a Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to settings, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to network and internet. Click on network and internet. Thereafter go to right side and here choose VPN. Open it and here make sure that allow VPN over metered connection networks, allow VPN while roaming. Both the features should be disabled, and if you have already added any VPN connection, simply remove it. And check whether your Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go back to this setting page, open proxy and disable proxy setting. The next workaround to fix this issue is open control panel. Here, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. Here from the left side, click on allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Here under allowed apps and feature section, scroll down and look for the Steam app and make sure that under private network as well as public network, both should be duly enabled or checked. If you found it in off mode, then click on change settings and make the check against both the options. And finally click on OK to save the changes. And after that, check whether your Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type Steam. Run a Steam as administrator mode. Means launch a Steam app as administrator mode. So choose here run as administrator and check whether your Steam is opening a Steam gaming app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, reset your network connection. Execute this 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows: ipconfig flush DNS, ipconfig register DNS, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, and winsock reset. Execute all these 5 commands one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. After that, restart your system and check whether your Steam gaming app working or not. If not, go to the one more fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps. From the right side, click on installed apps. Here in search field, type Steam and click on three horizontal dot against a Steam app and choose uninstall a Steam app. Simply reinstall a fresh version of a Steam gaming app if none of the above mentioned work